style goes back to the 30s and 40s, maybe into the 50s, around where Marilyn Monroe was. If you go step by step, people can see how you're doing it and the techniques you're using and the way of blending. And yeah, it's pretty easy to catch on if you just see how it's all created together step by step. You could wear your natural, more less extravagant kind of pin-up style out to work or in your daily life. You can go a bit more extravagant with the colours and the darkness of the makeup and the intensity of it for a more party scene or a bit more dramatic kind of thing if you're going out partying.